Welcome. In front of me I have Xiaomi Mi LED TV P1, and today I'll show you how you can change contrast level on this TV. So at the first, just take a look on this picture, and after that you will be able to check that it really works when I make the change. So at the first we have to grab our remote control and let's go for the home screen. So to go to the home screen you have to tap right here and then go for the settings to the right upper corner. Next we have to scroll down. Let me just put it on the left hand. Let's scroll down to the device preferences, then go for the picture, and next bring contrast. I'm going to increase contrast for 80 value, and let me go back to the YouTube to our video. As you can see, the contrast has changed, and also we can decrease. So let's go back, and right now let's set it up, for example on 10. So let's go for the device preferences one more time, pick picture, and then go for the contrast and tap on the left arrow to decrease contrast level on this TV. Let's set it up on maybe on the 5. Okay, let's go back for the YouTube again. And take a look on the screen. As you can see, you can definitely spot the difference. So that's how you can change contrast level on this TV. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.